As a Nu Skin affiliate, you know better than anyone how incredible our products are. You have your tried and true favorites that you rave about with friends, families, and customers. But what you don't often hear about is what goes into making those products you know and love. I've invited two people who are very familiar with our every stage of product development, Joe Chang and Steve Hatchett, to tell us more about our manufacturing facilities. First, let's hear from Steve.
Hello everyone. I'm excited to be here to tell you more about our manufacturing facilities all around the world. Did you know that we use 7 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities? 4 right here in the United States and 3 in China. The 4 in the United States manage the manufacturing of many of our nutritional products and personal care products like sunscreens, toothpastes, and many more. One of the facilities in particular specializes in manufacturing nutritional supplements that contain ingredients with increased bioavailability. This emphasis on ingredient availability is key in the selection and sourcing part of our 6S quality process. We also have a facility in Huzhou where they focus on raw ingredient manufacturing, nutritional products, and our beloved G3 drink. But that's not all. I'm so pleased to tell you about our brand new manufacturing facility in Fengshan, which we have fittingly named Nu Skin Beauty and Wellness, or NSBW for short. It's located at our Nu Skin Greater China headquarters and focuses on raw ingredient sourcing and personal care products. Great work has already been happening in China, and now we're strengthening that with this ultra-modern manufacturing facility. In fact, Nu Skin Beauty and Wellness quadruples the production capacity for Nu Skin in China. We invested $55 million in the center, which we developed with Industry 4.0 standards in mind, to use smart, autonomous systems fueled by real-time data analysis and machine learning. A fully automated warehousing system also seamlessly links production with logistics to drive greater efficiency. This modern facility is 440,000 square feet, or close to 41,000 square meters. As you know, we're committed to improving our environmental impact and striving to find innovative ways to progress. So NSBW was also designed and constructed in accordance with green building standards, maintaining a high production capacity while conserving energy and reducing water consumption. It's connected to our Greater China Analytical Lab, so everything is close and products are carefully monitored from start to finish. And our 6S quality process is diligently followed there, just as in all other manufacturings we use. And who better to share more about our 6S quality process and how we follow it each and every day in our manufacturing facilities than Dr. Joe Chang.
Hi everyone. As a scientist, I've witnessed firsthand how important our 6S quality process is and how it helps ensure that the best possible and safe finished product. What I truly love about Nu Skin is that we never do anything halfway. We take great care to follow our 6S quality process throughout product development, from inception to introduction. When we develop a product, once we have a formula for a specific market or markets, we worked to find the very best manufacturer or supplier for that product. Sometimes it's one of our own facilities in Utah or China, and sometimes it's a third-party manufacturer. But regardless of where our products are made, the 6S quality process is followed. This is important because at the end of the day, we must ensure that each product has the same specifications and consistent quality. As you know, we are in nearly 50 markets right now, many of which have to meet specific regulatory certifications. For example, products sold in Australia must be manufactured in a TGA certified facility. Products sold in Indonesia have to be manufactured in a specific halal certified facility. The 6S process covers these varying needs. So, a lot goes into finding the perfect manufacturing location. And our 6S quality process, that commitment to quality, is what makes this all possible. We follow our 6S process in every manufacturing facility. In fact, many standards of our 6S process exceed manufacturing and regulatory guidelines. For example, we are very picky about sourcing to ensure we get the best ingredient, standardized the way we want it to be. We do extensive work to substantiate all claims globally, and we do lots of testing to ensure the quality of the materials we are using.
That's truly our 6S quality process at work. Thanks, Steve and Joe. And we do all of this because we care about our products and ultimately our product fans, our affiliates like you, and our customers. We know the best way to ensure a consistently great experience with our products is to have our 6S quality process in place every step of the way. These incredible manufacturing facilities help us to do just that. Thanks, everyone.